correct. 392 miles on a 2021 FLTRK Road Glide Limited. I think they traded it in because they wanted something else. And we get a lot of that, believe it or not. This thing is bone stock. Didn't have any time to put any customization on it and only 300 miles. It's in beautiful condition. You wouldn't even be able to tell it really has any miles on it. Everything's in great shape. But I don't know what they ended up purchasing, but they did buy another bike. So if you're in the market for a Road Glide Limited in black with the black engine, now's your chance. Come on in, take a test ride. You definitely won't be disappointed.